relax, and enjoy today's long-awaited room makeover video. So in this video, you're gonna see me and Jeff first shopping for a new duvet, and then just kind of looking around Bed Bath & Beyond, and just take you through a little bit of the decorating process. And then of course you'll get to the main event, which is the before and after room reveal. So I hope you enjoy it. Keep watching to see it all go down. So we're at Bed Bath & Beyond because Georgia decided to rip up our duvet. So we needed a new duvet. But then Jeffrey had to make a pit stop at the massage chairs. Does anyone else pit stop here? I feel like it's always worth it. So we'll see what they have.
Best thing ever.
Does it really feel good though?
Yeah, it really feels good. You should like put your feet in here.
Really?
It's good vibrations.
Am I just gonna like leave you here now? Basically.
How much one of these?
It says it's $300. Turn the one on your back going? Here. Was that a little too rough?
Yeah, full body massage.
I see your whole body moving with it.
That's a little rough.
We'll switch the setting. There's the lower settings.
That's too rough. You probably would like this.
Would I? Probably would. I love a good foot rub. Okay, so Jeff's gonna try this neck massager out on me. Put it on my neck. Oh, that feels really good actually. That feels so good.
Is it?
How much is it? 40 bucks? Oh my gosh, we might have to put it back on there, please. Looks like maybe that can be, well, your birthday's not till November, so. Oh, was there any heating pads? Because I know my dad was telling me he needs a new one. I actually like this plaid. What do you think? Thinking yourself at home? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Is that a, what is that? Oh, it's a quilt. Oh, what is that? Is this a sign?
It's a mat.
Oh, it's a kitchen mat. Oh, how much is that? Because that's what Brie and James need for in front of their,
It's only $20.
Huh, I'll have to tell her because they need one of those for in front of their kitchen sink. Ooh, look at that bed over there.
That's pretty cool.
I like that bed.
Cool.
Ooh, all of these, ooh, 40% off of the Haven duvet sets. Okay.
Where's that at? Oh, that looks itchy.
It feels kind of like, what kind of material is that? I don't know what it feels like, but no, it feels cozy to me.
I mean,
like,
it could be
ooh,
cozy.
a nice little cozy situation. You want a sleep mask? But you don't need one, really. Ooh, look at this duvet. Ooh, feel that, babe.
Ooh, why is it marked down?
Because it's on clearance.
Ooh.
We love a sale. We stan a sale.
This is really nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Feels very majestic. Like velvet. Is that what it is? Oh, it's velvet.
Yeah, it's like this.
You guys, it's velvet.
It's like this pillow.
Oh, should we get the pillow too? It matches this pillow right here. Ooh. Oh, there's a couple pillows, so we can get a couple pillows.
Yeah, but I really need more pillows.
Oh, you know I love pillows. Like a little throw pillow situation?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's see what else they got. But I really think...
There's Haven.
Okay, I can't decide though.
Yeah. I like the softness.
You like the velvet? But would the velvet be too hot though, you think?
I don't know.
The velvet is
Me
super...
too. Will velvet be hot?
That's not a bad price.
Cold.
I wonder what the return policy is here though. Like, if we got it, like, we tried it out and we didn't like it, could we return it? We would need to find that out.
Probably after
Because I'm worried if I would be too hot in it though.
I don't know. I mean, how's the other one?
But that's a different, totally different material. Ooh, you guys. Ooh, you guys. This one from UGG.
Man.
It's from UGG. Is that what it feels like though? Because that feels kind of like itchy.
Oh, well, yeah. It looks like the same material like in here. See?
It feels like itchy. I don't like the itchiness. Yeah, you can grab it. We can hold on to it. I don't think we need the pills like you said. We should calm down.
Yeah, you should calm down.
I was putting you in with my bad decisions.
A good one out of this marriage.
You're the good one?
Fake.
Okay, let me see.
Edie, oh, Ellen DeGeneres.
Ellen DeGeneres? Wait.
She got her own bedding.
What does that one feel like? Ooh, that feels nice actually. Ellen.
We might drop this off it. We'll take a little video later.
Duvet cover.
It's nice.
Ooh, that feels nice too. But it's $169. Ellen, what the heck? That's a bit much. Okay, I think we might get that velvet one then for sure. And then, well, $170, but this one's only $79. So I like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, this one. I love this one. It's sparkly. Look at the sparkle.
Yeah, no idea.
Come on.
Oh yeah, it's nice, but
I don't think they even have a king. So you got lucky. Yes. Okay, you guys. This one has some shine to it. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up the shine or not, but it has some shine. It has some very subtle hints of yellow in it, which matches the bedroom. He's making fun of me. And it's on sale. How much? Duvet covers. It's $89, babe. I like this one. I really like zipper closures for duvet covers personally because I feel like it stays in there better.
yeah.
So,
Is that zippered?
I don't know. That's what I need to try to find out. This pillow though, you guys, look at that.
Sequins.
I know Georgia would literally tear all that off.
Yeah, that'd be all chewed up in a heartbeat. Literally. Literally. I mean, it's nice. It's probably zip, but most of the bays are zipped up, aren't they? Well, I guess they have
No, there's tons that aren't.
other buttons too.
Oh, this is what it feels like right here. Wow. I'm trying to like get my finger in this small little thing, and then they have what it feels like right here. Wow. Okay, feel it.
Yeah.
You don't like it?
No.
I think it kind of feels nice. This one feels softer though, huh?
Yeah.
Because what is it made out of?
Cotton, polyester, viscose.
It does feel softer though, huh, than this one.
Yeah.
But I like this one too. Look, it has like polka dots. White polka dots. White on white.
White polka dots.
But the one nice thing about this bedding too, because if we do like, because it has kind of like the speckled look to it, if you were to like get a little stain or something on it, it would kind of blend a little better than the pure white.
Definitely.
Oh, there's yellow over here too though, honey.
Nah, I don't want plain yellow.
Hold on.
Plain yellow?
No, not plain yellow, right here.
Oh, that.
Oh my gosh, this is soft. You guys, this is only $40 and it's yellow. That's the cheapest one, and so feel it. That's soft.
Yeah, it's soft.
Isn't that?
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
Oh my gosh, that's real soft. Okay, this is gonna be a tough choice. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm looking over here to see what else there is.
Look, they came out with the drawer organizer. That's pretty dope. Cool.
White and yellow. This is gonna be tougher than I thought. So here we are. Step one, it's a hot mess. We started pulling some stuff out to organize. Need to put some laundry away. Georgia's bed, we got her because she's actually a cat. We put it here. Oh my gosh. And then these curtains have got to go. I'm over them. I've had them forever. More clothes over here along with the makeup. Here's the overview of our room. So now let me show you from this angle. Alright, you guys. Can't wait to show you the after. I have this music note right here in black, and I just thought I wanted to spray it silver just to give a little more silver to the room. So here we go. It's raining, so I'm undercover doing this.
Done.
Woo.
Done.
Here she is. I love the room. It is so nice and inviting and warm and just bright, and it just makes me feel like in a good mood anytime I go into the room now. It just feels so much more inviting. Here's a close-up of a few new things. The Wanderlust is new from Ross, and that arrow is also new from Ross. Great finds. Love a good Ross find. And these end tables we actually found from Home Goods. I love them so much. This vase in flower is another Ross find. Look how cute. The marble top and all the storage. I love. Hi, Gus. Oh, so cute. And Georgia in the mirror. And over here, this little picture is also a Ross find. It's actually a picture frame, but we just put this little quote in it. The chandelier, I had to keep it because I absolutely love the chandelier. And that bed, oh my gosh. This duvet we got when we returned the original one. We found it on clearance for 20 bucks. Hey, hey. And the new footstool storage, which is amazing for my pictures. And that big picture above our bed, I love also from Ross. And let's do an overview of this side of the room. It looks so much nicer. Underneath the TV is better organized now. We have the candles, a cute little picture frame. And I just love this corner now. As you probably recognize it from different videos, I film in front of it a lot. And all these pictures I just think look so cute. I love little collage walls. And this little guy from our Paulsbo trip over the summer, that picture I love. The Blessed is so great. All of these picture frames are actually from Ross, except for this little music note that I spray painted silver. The curtains are from Home Goods. I love them so much. This little sparkle is just so inviting. And again, another end table on this side, which we just love these new end tables. It just makes everything so much cleaner and neater. And I had to show you how great it looks with those candles lit. I love how bright it actually looks. I do have the light lit over on my makeup desk as well, but it's so bright. That is the finished product. I love the room, how it all came together. It just feels so much brighter and more cheery, and just with some simple things. It wasn't too expensive. And then my throw pillow. I just wanted the bed to kind of carry on that sunset vibe, and of course a little animal print because, like, hello. I'm sitting on my new little Chester drawer here that holds some extra purses, and it's a great little stepping stool also for the puppies to hop up and on the bed. So we love the new room. It just feels so nice, and the end tables was a last minute decision that I'm really glad we made, because I don't know, it just feels so much better having something newer like that. Those end tables are something I had before I even met Jeff, so they're like 12 or 13 years old. It was just nice to get something new. Also have something that has a little more storage. So for both reasons, I love them, and I'm sure we're gonna have these for another 10, 12, whatever years, because they're absolutely beautiful. I love them so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of the room and a little bit of shopping with us from a little while ago. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please like this video if you enjoyed it. The biggest thing that I love about the room, though, Chester drawers is now in the closet, because that just took up so much space in the bedroom. So that is the highlight for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to just be you. Bye, guys.